Dodge couplings offer unmatched performance and are backed by a proven track record of reliability. For finished bore-style hubs, there are 3 fit variations based on the tolerance of the bore and the shaft: clearance, interference, and transition. This video demonstrates the proper installation of interference-fit coupling hubs. Before installation, ensure equipment is turned off using proper lockout-tagout procedures. Use required personal protective equipment. Check with facility to see if Hot Works permit is required, and follow all Hot Works safety procedures. For this installation, you will need the following equipment and supplies. Use calipers or micrometers to make sure the coupling hub, coupling bore, and shaft diameter are within the specified tolerance range. Eliminate any imperfections from the shaft. Place the key in the key seat. Next, clean the flanges using a cloth dampened with a non-flammable solvent to remove all protective coatings applied at the manufacturing plant. For the coupling bore diameter to be enlarged to fit on the shaft, it must be heated prior to mounting. The heating process allows the bore to expand, providing the necessary clearance to slide it on the shaft. As it cools, the hub returns to its normal size, creating a concentric grip between the bore and the hub. When heating the hub, ensure there is even heat distribution. We recommend using an oven or hot oil bath. When faced with workspace or size limitations, choose the method that best suits the application. It is not recommended to use a blowtorch or any other method that causes uneven heating, resulting in permanent distortion of the hub. To determine when the proper hub temperature has been reached during the heating process, a 350-degree and 450-degree heat-sensitive crayon should be used. Using both crayons, mark the hub at the top, center, and bottom. Then, place in either hot oil or oven. For this installation, an oven will be used. Heat the hub in hot oil or an oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius before starting. When the 350-degree crayon mark melts, it signals the hub has been thoroughly and evenly heated to the correct temperature and is now ready to mount to the shaft. If the hub will not easily slide onto the shaft, lightly tap it using a rubber mallet to drive it to the correct position. For installation of the second coupling hub, repeat the previous steps. The cooling duration depends on the hub size. A larger hub will require more time to cool down due to its additional mass. Wait until the hub is cool to proceed. This completes the installation of interference-fit coupling hubs. We have put product support at your fingertips. For our online selection program, visit ptwizard.com. And for our e-commerce platform, visit dodge.ptplace.com.